Hey guys, welcome back. Drip Coach here, where we don't trust, we verify, and operate with integrity and transparency. Today, just covering some of the recent news clips, Telegram messages on Watcher Guru, because the TLDR, man, if you trying to trade this, like I think trading is asinine for the average person. If you have been doing it for years and you're day trading, you got algorithms and bots and all this stuff to make short, quick wins, go right ahead. But I mentioned this before on my channel. A lot of the content that's out there is like all these quote unquote crypto gurus that are like trading the market and telling you when to buy, when to sell, and the cycles and all that crap. And I just keep humbly believing the Raoul Pal thesis is the best thing to do. Stay humble, stack sats, 20% to some other bullshit, but don't try to trade it. You know, if you're gonna buy it, expect to be able to flip it and get out of it. But the reason I bring this up is because right now, especially with this regime, man, there is so much quote unquote noise. Like they can just swing the tides. So today, CZ was given a pardon by Trump. And then Peter Schiff says he wants to debate CZ. I don't know, has Peter Schiff ever debated Saylor? Like, I'd rather see him debate Saylor. Like, Saylor is hardcore Bitcoin. He understands money and energy and all this other stuff. And Shift is just, you know, gold bug just because he's made a lot of fucking ton of money on gold. But I don't think he actually understands it in the same fundamental principles that Saylor does. But either way, he throws down this gauntlet to CZ. CZ approves. Why is this not loading? Scott Bessent, Treasury Secretary, says America's golden age is underway. This is the pardon by CZ. U.S. mortgage rates are all of a sudden, quote unquote, the lowest in over a year. Trump explains why he pardoned him. He's like, yeah. CZ says that he will do everything we can to make America the crypto capital of the world. We make America the crypto capital. Jesus, why can I not read today? We'll do everything we can to help make America the capital of crypto. So I was trying to paraphrase what Trump said, but CZ said it differently. So that happened. Then Brian Armstrong saying they're 90% of the way there with the crypto market structure legislation. Trump all of a sudden now saying he's going to meet with Xi Jinping. So it's like, hey, we're going to have a deal coming. Also, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent to meet with Chinese Vice Premier Shift and CZ agreeing. And then Trump talking about why he pardoned CZ. So I bring all that up to say, because with that news, all of a sudden, the markets have kind of rebounded. Now, that's a spoiler. We're going to come back to that, USD 1. So we're up. Everything, this was all red before for the week. Now, 24-hour, we're up, everything's up, right? Now, the reason I bring this up is because there was a lot of negative press based off of this tweet here. And I can't say a lot because this is obviously one-sided, only Virtual Bacon's channel or whatever. But when I saw this on Watcher Guru, then saw him repost it, and then you can come look at some of the comments on this. Where are we at? Come on, comments. There's a lot of negative sentiment. Bonnie and Clyde. Let's see. Someone said like crime season is up again. Everything comes with a fucking price. Of course he has. Tribulation. So like everybody is upset about this. It's a corruptulitation. Like, I don't get it. I don't have a dog in this fight. Like, I don't understand why people get so emotional about this. I also understand that so a lot of people that are upset are the ones that blame a lot of the market dumps, especially the most recent one, due to Binance, insider, market manipulation kind of stuff. But again, if you're not using leverage and you're staying humble stacking sats, why the fuck would you care? Because anytime the market dumps, that's a better chance and opportunity for you to buy Bitcoin. But I understand the people that are up in arms because they expect this to be different than Wall Street. Well, newsflash, it's the same blue-collar criminals that have been around since the dawn of man. As they say, money corrupts, or absolute money corrupts absolutely, or some shit like that. It's like you're going to have people doing people things when they get in positions of power and want more power and money. So why are you upset about it? Just play the spread and win and don't get stupid and out over your skis. So like, I don't get it. But to me, it was so painstakingly obvious that this would take place when you zoom out and look at what World Liberty Fi did. World Liberty Fi launched a stablecoin 6 months ago, and they secured a major exclusivity deal to complete Binance's $2 billion investment deal with MGX. So it was launched solely on BNB and Ethereum. World Liberty Fi is the Trump family crypto company. I don't know how you want to phrase that. So of course they're gonna fucking pardon CZ. Like, they literally put their entire business model on the fucking Binance Smart Chain backbone. Like, why are people upset with this? There's an opportunity for you to make fucking money if you get out of your own way and stop getting emotional. Like, I told people that BNB was going to rise at the end of last cycle, and we were down in $300, $400 range, and here we are sitting at 1,200 or so again. Or not again. We've never been this high. Well, this cycle we had, I think we got 13. But there is money to be made. Now, I would not advise buying the top of BNB right now, but if you held your BNB like I did since the last cycle, then you're up. And this just goes to show you that they're going to continue moving forward with more BNB development. And I'm one to believe, put on your tinfoil hat, that the entire collapse that we had last cycle was due to some behind the scenes stuff with BNB and Trump making that tweet. Like, that's no mistake, but I didn't lose anything. I gained. I had buy orders in. So stop getting emotional, get your panties out of a wad, and pay attention to what's going on and position yourself to benefit from it. Like, you can't stop it, and getting all emotional and upset about it is absolutely a waste of your energy. So instead, put that energy to work and make something from it. And on that note, where am I? Yeah, this is funny. So Trump's insider whale is back with $78 million long. His win rate is 100%. I don't really care who this is, what they are, but the fact that the blockchain is transparent, and they could be manipulating things, put things out, and then change it just to get the market to go one way or the other. That's what whales actually do. But if that's the case, then again, there's money to be made. If you are in Bitcoin, stay humble, stack sats, and like Raoul Pal says, everything else is noise. Ignore the noise. Like, it is so simple. I'm so upset that I missed this last cycle because I was too busy chasing shit tokens and community cult projects. And there's another video I'll make later on today that's on Benjamin Cowan talking about, we may not say it all season. We're in all season. I've seen it all season. My alts are up. But if you pick the wrong bag of shit, then you're still waiting on the sidelines, waiting for your stuff to go up. BNB is up. OKB is up. Solana is up. Sui is up. Ethereum is up. So like, if they're not blow off tops, of course, and I don't even know if we're going to see that huge blow off top this cycle. I personally believe it's going to be long drawn out chop up and to the right forever and ever. Amen. And alts are going to rotate in and out throughout that cycle. So all that to say that the Raoul Pal thesis is the absolute best one for the way the old cycles worked and the way the new ones are starting to shape up, because you don't lose your shirt if you just stay 80% in Bitcoin, ETH, or Solana. I'm purely Bitcoin at this stage. Actually, yeah, I guess I'm still not quite 80% because I still got a bunch of alts from last cycle that are up that I'm waiting to roll out a dollar cost average out. But I'm winning this cycle compared to last cycle. So I don't know what to tell you guys. The writing is on the wall with everything happening. There are awesome moves to be made that you can win from. But if you are down in the weeds, way out on this, top 100, top 200 community cult shit token projects, then you may not win. And all I can do is kind of make the content and hope you pay attention. All right. Smash that HBO special, help a brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below. And until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.